Recipe alterations to meet selected food restriction preferences. Many recipes in the database may have ingredients in them that do not match your personal food restriction preferences, which would eliminate them from being included in your weekly menu plan. However, recipes can be altered from the original form by replacing a restricted ingredient with an acceptable substitute and added to your menu plan. To walk through the process, let's begin by viewing the profile settings. Under Menu Preference, select Food Restrictions. I have selected dairy and gluten as restrictions. Choosing these menu restrictions filters out ingredients, foods, and recipes containing gluten and wheat, dairy, and any of their components. Click Save and then OK, and your menu will be created for the week. When you open a recipe's information card, you will see the algorithm has replaced the restricted item with an acceptable alternative. The original food will have a red line through it, and the substitute ingredient will be listed below with a red asterisk indicating the algorithm has altered the original recipe to meet your food restriction preferences. Now, let's add a recipe that does not adhere to your selected menu preferences to show the process. I will add basil pesto pasta salad. When adding a recipe, you have the option to first view the recipe card by clicking Show Recipe. If the original recipe does not meet your selected food restriction preferences and alterations have been made, you will see the planned substitutions in detail. Close the recipe card and select Add Item. The meal warning box will open. Select Keep Changes to approve the substitutions or Keep Original if you do not want the substitutions. If adding the recipe exceeds your daily caloric target, you will also receive an additional notification that you have the option to rebalance your My Menu servings for the rest of the day to meet your target by clicking Rebalance. Then click Confirm to save. You will see the recipe has been added to your My Menu for the day. Click on the recipe's pencil icon to open the altered recipe card to view the changes which have been made. You may continue to make additional edits to the recipe. To view other Parmesan cheese substitution options, click on its pencil icon. Enter your food preference in the search box to view the database options. Then make your selection. You can compare the nutritional information of the new item to the current item. Then select Replace, and the new item will now be listed under Ingredients.